Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Woman Shoplifting $1,103.42 worth of baby formula. That's pretty interesting that they actually put the exact amount. That's crazy. In the title. Let's go, man.
Police catch a woman stealing $1,000 worth of baby formula, uncovering over $6,000 in merchandise hidden in her car.
Yo, get out the car before I pull my gun out. You're gonna piss me off. You. Yes, come over here. Where's the property at? You don't act like...
Okay, give it to him. All right, okay, give y'all.
Everybody, hang out on the bumper.
No, I would.
Hang out on the bumper.
Okay, sir.
Hang out on the bumper for me. Do you not hear me?
I just said hang out.
Okay, don't piss me off.
Yes, I did, sir. And I apologize. I would take full responsibility, sir. All right? And
Okay, everybody hang out on the bumper until I get more.
Yeah.
What's going on? How you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. And they say, okay, I gave the merchandise back what I stole, so I'm, I'm like, aight.
Well, the sound of the alarm for the baby formula, it tells us like how long it goes up, and then it dings, and I'm like, why is it still going off? Okay. And then I go walk over with my little basket, and I'm looking, aisle 15 down from aisle 2. I'm looking, and I'm just like, wow. And then I'm like, Carla. That's when my store manager came. Okay. She's like, what happened? I was like, they stealing,
Well, Shauna, how old are you?
40.
40? You don't look a day over 20.
She thought she caught the bust of the century. You hear me? She cute though.
I know, I don't look at that. Him right there.
Delta,
I tell him I gave the bag back. So if anything, I gave the bag back. So hey.
LaShauna got you.
Yeah. Hey, what I said to you, officer. All right.
Relax. Hey, come here.
I take full responsibility for what Okay. And didn't I tell you that, officer? Okay, so. And you said just get a bag. Yeah.
So you took responsibility?
No, yeah, because hey, if anything he said, when he got out.
Your cousin or friend or whoever they are to you, like they're going to jail for what they took from the Walgreens, which was this baby formula stuff.
The one right here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. So what's what we call search incident to arrest, meaning you're arrested, we as the police have the right to search you for any additional items of property, for guns, for drugs, for any of these things. Let's say we find that stuff on these people, we can charge them with that. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we searched the vehicle that where everybody was driving in, and we find not just a few things, we find an entire carload of baby formula and makeup and all these things. Okay, so how many receipts do you think we found in those bags?
None.
Probably none. The problem is you're driving with them.
You say when I'm doing rent down here, I say I was wet. I get OTC. That's over-the-counter product. I'm disabled.
Okay.
I have grandkids. I don't got no job. Do you know $1,200 cannot take care of no grandkids and my daughter? I have a disabled daughter as well. I cannot take care of no grandkids and my disabled child.
Listen, do me just breathe for me, okay?
I'm breathing.
Okay.
Don't you see I'm talking? So it's not a process. You know what's going on.
He's just asking if I have your ID.
Okay, but no, he did not say that. I'm hearing him, sir.
Said that to me.
Okay,
what did he say then?
He did not say that. You have my ID right there.
What did he say then?
He could see that, sir.
What did he say?
He could see that. He said, "Oh, do you have?"
I need you to breathe.
I heard him what he said. He's a white individual. He's a white Caucasian officer. You already have my ID, so don't lie for him.
I know.
I heard what he said, sir. He said, "Oh, do you have her?" But he said, "Do you have her ID?" You been had my ID before he pulled up.
He didn't say, "Do I have her?"
What? You been had my ID though, right?
I do have your ID.
So he pulled up.
There's no reason for me to lie to you.
Okay.
There's no reason to lie to you, okay?
Man, she drunk.
And then one of them, which was the ugly looking dyke. Sorry.
Yeah. Back on her,
white
man.
shirt.
Let's go.
Raggedy pants.
Okay.
And she had dreads.
About how tall was she, you think?
At least a little bit. No, she's my height.
Okay.
And then when she was coming towards me, I was like, "What's up?" And then the gay dude was like this, and I was recording.
What did
I don't know
he
if I'm
look
allowed
like?
to say that. Huh?
What did he look like?
A little heavy set and
Okay.
ugly, you know.
Medium, dark, light skin?
Dark.
But what age?
Probably in his late 20s.
Late 20s?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you remember what he was wearing?
Some safari looking.
Okay,
fit.
so multicolor?
Yeah.
And some shorts or jeans or anything?
Shorts.
Shorts. Okay.
Oh, come on, back on her, man.
He's gonna waste it like that? That's like $1 right there. Holy shit.
You a funny ass cracker.
It's all wet.
You's a funny ass cracker though.
I'll throw it away for you.
Cause bitch, it been thrown away, it been wet.
It's not nice to call him back here.
It been wet.
Oh, I didn't call
He
him
ain't
back.
no woman. A woman, he's a
Do me
man.
a favor. Just make sure you have no weapons.
Nah, I don't have no weapon.
Come over here.
Right? So, will you ever hear that saying? Birds of a feather, they flock together. Right. See, you're already finishing it for me. So, you had to have some sort of knowledge of what they were doing.
You going to
After
jail.
a while, yes, I did. I'm not gonna lie. After
Okay.
a while, but I said I ain't stealing the stuff. So
I get you.
You get what I'm saying? I ain't
Right.
stealing it. They ain't catching me doing it like when I was walking.
But
out
what
the back.
conversations are you guys having in the car? Like you driving them around, they get out, they go into a store, they come back. What are they talking?
They just be like, oh shit, yeah, like just like happy, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like,
Happy
you know,
because
how
what?
you get away with something. You get what I'm saying? That type of.
Like they boosted the store. Nah, they didn't catch us this time. Blah blah blah.
That type of.
That type of happiness?
Yeah, it don't really be like no conversation. Oh, we going here, there, like. Just drive me like you see. I don't have no map in my phone. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like if I pull up my map, I'm not GPS and nothing. I'm just.
I hear you.
If they put the map in, I'm just
And
go
they
this
say,
way,
go
just
up
go
here.
that way,
Right.
go that way.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause
Yep.
I don't have it in my phone.
Okay. Right. I understand that.
And on behalf of Walgreens Corporation, do you wish to press charges? Okay. And the total, you did all the ringing up. So what was the majority of the items that were stolen? Baby formula. And this is the receipt that you presented to us, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the total value that was stolen?
$1,103.42.
$1,103.42?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right, Ms. Garcia, is there anything that I failed to ask you that you'd like to add?
Not on camera.
Okay. All right.
Do me a favor. Just put your hands behind your back. I'll explain everything about it, all right? Put your hands together like you're praying. Like you're praying. Like you're praying. Like you're praying. There you go.
Yeah, you going to jail. You're done.
You're wearing those glasses like you're doing them a favor, I must say. You look very, you're doing them a favor. That's very, very dashing. Studious, I like
Look
it.
like the guy in charge on scene.
Your name is
Very, very
Jonathan.
wet. Oh,
Jonathan.
that's not the mirror. Oh,
You're the best.
they're not
Oh,
using
stop
the
it,
mirror.
Jonathan.
And oh,
It's all right, Jonathan.
guess what? They use it. It's very, very classy for your
Oh,
race.
God. Shut up.
Very classy for your race.
She drunk or something.
Hey, man, get us out, man. What is my charge, sir?
I think it's easier if we go this way.
Yeah, so what? I got to step in water.
This guy's going in there.
Do I got to step in water? Can I get a pad?
No, we're gonna go over there. Kels.
But I'm supposed to be going with a female.
Oh, never mind then. Yeah, she's gonna take you. She's gonna take you to her car. Don't worry.
Hey, yo, officer. Come here, officer.
No, hold on. We
Yeah,
can talk
officer.
from here. We can talk from here.
What I'm going to jail for?
I'm not the primary person, so I can't.
And man, but when I got out and I went, and you said, what did you take? Then I gave you.
Right, but you took that from Southern.
Listen.
That's the problem.
We're gonna go in that car.
All right, so that's what I'm going to jail for?
We're gonna explain in a bit, all right?
Yeah, I'm the right person. You know, like you hot power. You know, you pulling me, and the man ain't even.
She's not pulling you.
All right, what car can get in there now? I got look, my shoes and everything.
All right, well, we're both walking in there. Come on, let's go.
What you got on my boots? What is my charge?
Give me a key.
What I'm wearing?
We're gonna explain it.
What is my charge? Come on, man.
Being drunk and committing crimes don't make it right?
No, it just
Right.
makes it really
Worse.
Place
worse
your hands
because
behind your back.
She don't
You're
know
done.
how to stop talking. And I'm like, okay, just chill out. You get what I'm saying? Like, just give it like back at the end of the day.
Okay.
If you would have given it back, like they didn't want to have, probably wouldn't even call the police on you.
Got you an
Probably not.
HD
Probably
rat.
just would have said, hey,
rat.
this
Don't come back in my store.
Don't come back here.
and
Get out of
stuff
here.
like that.
Right.
But by her, I think her keep arguing with them just made the situation worse.
Got it. Okay.
You open it?
You got a property tag or?
Got it. Okay. Now place your hands behind your back. Doing all that ratting, man.
Watch your knee.
You done too.
We're gonna close the door.
She was charged with retail theft of $750 plus and common theft.
Yeah, but what was the guy in the guy? I think the guy was in cuffs as well. And the girl that was doing all that talking she ain't get charged with nothing? Dang, they kind of, I don't know, they missed out on that one, man. What's the guy's charges and stuff? Like, come on, man. All right, let's, we're gonna wrap it up, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.